They won the first 2 years of competition here in Lincoln. They were first both years. Last year, University of Pennsylvania out of Pittsburgh took over that spot, and so right now we will see, can Pittsburgh make it a repeat, just as the Brazilian team, or will the Brazilian team bounce back and get the victory again this year? We'll see what happens, and I know there are several other teams that have got something to say about it. Right now we should have on the course, we've got 2 cars, and they should be FEI and Cal Poly State San Luis Obispo. We'll wait to see here who we've got there. I didn't catch the numbers as they were pulling out, so we'll kind of catch them as they get a little closer to us here. What we're going to be doing here is we will be, because of the idea that there are some different safety things with electric cars versus the internal combustion cars, we will finish all of the electric cars before we go to the internal combustion cars. So at this point we hopefully will see all 8 of these cars, and then after that they will complete the endurance, hopefully all 8 of them do, and then we will go to the internal combustion. Here comes car number 211, FEI. On the first lap, and like I said, we will see the first driver do 7 laps, go in for a driver change, and that second driver, he or she will go out and do 8 laps, and then they will go in for a driver change. We've got FEI out there right now, and let's see the green and white car coming around the turn here to come in front of the grandstands. We'll check it out. And that is car number 205. That's MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, 205 is Missouri S&T. Made a mistake. Missouri S&T out of Rolla, Missouri. And right now we've got car number 203, Polytechnic Montreal, also on the course. One of the several teams. We've got 8 or 9 teams from Canada. We've got 94 teams on site. 24 of those were electric teams. The other 70 were internal combustion. And they represent 7 different countries, including the United States. Car number 11 out there right now, the team from Brazil, looking very, very strong. 211 rather, car number 211.
Are you able to see?
And then we've got car number 205, Missouri S&T out there, and Polytechnic Montreal, car number 203.
Yeah, I can. But I was hoping I could zoom out so I could just like be able to.
Well, we said that the fastest team this morning was a 98.4.
I guess they won't.
Well, car number 211, a 99.771. 99.771. So right now the electric teams, they're going to start out very, very strong. If a team hits one of the cones out there, it's a 2-second penalty. Now if they hit a lay-down cone, one that's laying down, that is not a penalty, but if they hit one that's standing up, it's a 2-second penalty, and if they go off course someplace, actually that becomes a 20-second penalty. So when these cars are all judged on the total time, that's a huge, huge penalty. Car number 203, last time by. That's their first time by for them. So Montreal getting acclimated to the course. I love the very distinctive car with the blue nose on it. It's easy to pick that one out. And of course here again, 205 coming by us, and that's Missouri S&T. Missouri S&T, first time by. For this last time by, I should say, 115, 115.612. 115.612. So we'll see a little bit of a differentiation and a little bit of a difference in speeds. So probably after 5 or 6 laps, we would guess that we're going to see some passing action.
In and out,
but on the course, this morning, there are 3 passing zones. One right in the middle of the course, one on the far left-hand side, and then one on the right-hand side over here, just before the cars get to the straightaway in front of the grandstands. We've got one car that's come to a stop down there. We've got, at this point, we've got some yellow flags.
I'm fine.
And car number 211 is moving very, very slowly right out here in front of us, the team from Brazil.
I don't think we need a live video.
I thought he was stopping for the yellow, but
The Brazilian team right now had the fastest time of anybody in the electric with that 99.7, but they have come to a stop out in front. We'll wait and see. The last thing you want to do is see the golf carts or one of the four-wheelers coming up to get the car, and I believe that's what's going to happen. So the day is done very, very quickly for the FEV team out of Brazil.
I think where that red one is.
Okay.
FEI, rather, I'm sorry. FEI electric team. Car number 203 slowing down here. We still got a lap time on them. And it's a 121.3, but the car had to slow down dramatically because of the car sitting there off the course. Car number 201, this is the team that won a year ago, the University of Pennsylvania, and they will be approaching that front straightaway here in just a matter of moments. But we hate to say it, the day has come to an early close for the team from Brazil.